The giant AC130 gunship is packed to the brim with weapons. Let's take a look at three of its main ones. This is the GAU-23A. It's a 30mm Bushmaster cannon adapted for use in the gunship. It gets a rate of fire of 200 rounds per minute. But maybe you need something faster. This is the GAU-12 Equalizer. Using 25mm rounds, it gets a staggering 4,000 rounds per minute firing rate. Perhaps a heavily armored tank appears though, or a fortified structure. Time to bring out the big guns. This is the infamous M102 howitzer.